There are two, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains two 90-inch jet flow gates. These gates allow us to run water around the turbulence if necessary. Above the bell houses, stretching across the canyon, are six 3.5-inch diameter cables. If you follow the cables to the right,